Kickflip off?
I stepped on geese poop.
He's like, I got you, I will punch you in the face. Hi-ya!
Oh no.
Go! Alright guys, we're very excited to be here today with the wonderful, the great
Hector. Yeah.
His name is Hector. Don't Fector. Did that make sense?
Nectar.
And he made us today. This is a very special episode of You Made It. We're gonna skate it.
Me? Wait.
You made it.
Right, yeah.
You made it. You made this. I did not make it.
Hector
I did not make this
single-handedly
hair.
keeping You Make It We Skated alive.
Literally. Thank you. If you guys have something, send it to us at skated@brailleskateboarding.com. And also, you made a whole video of this, making this.
Yes.
Is it already up?
No, I haven't even edited it. I'm editing it after this.
It'll
I
be
mean,
up
this
soon.
part.
So tell us the difference between this one and this one.
This is a real skateboard.
A real skateboard.
Yeah, just cut up, and then this
Just cut
is
up.
some cheap like plywood.
Plywood, which doesn't feel cheap to me, which is
So-
generally quite expensive.
Yeah, so we're gonna skate this and then I'm gonna take this home.
No, we're skating both of them. No,
Ow! Hey, go
If it survives though.
if
True.
it survives, it's definitely not gonna survive. This hair is like really my steez.
Oh yeah, you didn't even mention the hair.
And he made this hair as well. Not
It's fun.
this hair, this hair. Okay, so we're gonna put on these trucks really fast. I'm only gonna use 2 bolts. Is that okay?
Yeah, that was
Does it affect the structural integrity though?
no.
I
Do you
think
want this one to break?
Kind of. Yeah.
He made this one to break, and Gabe wants to take it home.
I think I'm gonna wear that to go eat dinner tonight and see what people say.
You'll look
Yeah.
legendary.
Legendary. So I like to do the 2 bolts crossways. You think that's good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. One of those arms is gonna come off for sure.
You think so?
Yeah. Probably the head too.
He was asking me, how do I build this? And then I was like, with the arms. So the arms, like when we kickflip, the arms are like spinning. More or less what we got. Oh, wow. Yeah, this wood is soft. Watch.
Yeah.
And I'm holding it on the other side with my fingers. My fingers.
That Montana grip.
Montana grip.
Yeah, it's a Patara earring.
And an Iron Man chest piece.
Sure.
Kickflip off?
Yeah. Who's your favorite DVD character?
Vegeta. Easily.
Who's your favorite character?
SpongeBob.
Who's your favorite character?
Goku when he was a kid.
Leave a comment down below with who's your Dragon Ball Z favorite character. I think everybody's favorite character is Goku. Oh yeah, this one's solid.
Yeah, it's one of your planks.
Sick. How sick does this look though? All right? Huh? If you guys want to buy this board, leave it in the comments below. Who's your Dragon Ball Z favorite character? Leave it in the comments below. Get the first trick. Wait, hold on. Now you're ready.
Wheel bites. I got wheel bites.
There you go.
I'll take that one.
Okay. This one does feel like it's gonna break. Kickflip off?
Think you got a kickflip on that first try?
Who's got it? Come on. Who's got a kickflip off? You in this, Mowgli, or what?
Yeah, let's do this.
Rochambeau's. We can do.
I stepped on geese poop, so I have to clean my.
For real?
And I accidentally, I stepped on the board.
Dude! Here, wipe that off. Intermission while Mowgli wipes the geese poop off his shoe.
That's as good as it'll be.
Okay, Rochambeau. Yes.
Wait, you just left me out of it?
Nigel's last. I guess I'll play you to see. Oh! Wow! Let's go! Still fully intact.
Impressive. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh no! Dave! He broke his arm!
Ah! Ah! Look at him.
That looks kind of weird, actually.
He's like, I got you. I will punch you in the face. Hi-ya! Wow. He actually fully tried to punch you.
Show him how it's done, Nigel.
Oh, me and kickflips aren't friends still.
Yeah. See? I suppose you could heel flip it.
Oh!
My gosh. You gotta watch that hair. The world's worst credit card. Missed me.
Three shove right here. We are doing a kickflip off
Why? It's done.
because everyone has to land one.
Okay, I'll do one. Never mind.
Oh!
He always says he can't do kickflips and then he does it.
Oh!
Hey,
Close.
come on, dude.
Oh!
Put poop on the board.
Oh!
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Chill out. Now we tray flip? You wanna go?
No.
You sure? Okay, first try. Ow! Not it. Mowgli,
Soft.
I tap you.
I love mall grabbing. For all those haters out there, I love it. Because you can protect yourself. All right.
You got it. It's really hard to tray flip.
Someone do that, I'm gonna be surprised.
Yeah!
Oh,
Go! That's amazing though. Pew pew!
That's
Right?
Hey,
way
good job.
harder than I thought it was.
Whoa, his head.
Remember that board they made of me? That reminds me of this.
Dang.
Is that a land?
No.
For my mom back in Montana. This is for you, Mom. Thank you for all you did for me and all those caramels you gave me over Christmas. Dang it.
These were really delicious.
For Dad. Thank you. Why can I not land on it?
You got this.
You hear that? Aaron, you got this. For my dog Bear. Accidentally punched Gabe in the hair. Should I just go again?
Yeah.
This is for my boy Piccolo. Oh my gosh. I saw my life flash before my eyes. I landed primo, and then I went to stab my eyes in your hair. Woo! Oh yeah.
Here. Oh.
His head's coming off.
Oh, his.
I mean,
Better
we gotta
land-
land it sooner. It's
Better
gonna
land it
break.
fast. You got it, Aaron.
Hector, what do I do?
Flick harder. I don't know.
Flick harder. Dang. I still want to land it. How did you do that? Where'd he go?
I kind of just like focused like my toe sideways like that. So it would just do that like right there.
So
And
it's all in the scoop.
yeah.
All right, let's scoop it. He knows exactly what he's talking about when he talks. I feel like because he ate vegan pizza, he can land it and I cannot. Let's go! Cool. Get out of here, that fully counted.
Wasn't clean.
It's like a helmet, this Goku hair, it's like a helmet. No!
No.
Dang it.
There's nothing that can be done now.
How do you land primo with one truck? I give up. I can't.
Ow.
Ow, that hurt me more than it hurt you.
He crazy.
I'm super impressed.
No. He's not. No. Wow.
That hurt it in my foot it did. Oh! Arnett of Brian? What? How you doing? Alright, first try. No warm up. Late front 3 shove, flat.
Late front 3 shove.
That's my new favorite from you.
Alright, just a regular late shove.
Wow.
Counts. A dolphin, but there's no nose. What happened to this one?
Aaron happened. Oh.
I'm counting that. Both feet were on the ground. That's tight.
I got nothing on that. I don't know what to say. I can't. I was at the highest kickflip I've ever done.
Yeah.
Before I popped, it was literally like, go Mowgli, go!
This is crazy. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
No way.
Where's this guy from?
split cheek.
Sick.
See if it nose slides with this little bit. I just want to see if it does.
No way. Sick. Let's go!
He kind of stopped at the end.
I would have flipped in and out, but that's okay. That's okay. That was really sick. You killed it.
That was great.
All right. All right.
You want it again?
All right.
Once he got it, you know?
I mean, that was a little better, but I mean, he still can. Okay.
Champ. He's a champ.
He is.
Welcome to Braille, bud.
Yep.
Crazy. I saved the camera.
If you would have had your Jetsons on, you would have been fine.
I know. Jetson, send me more motor kicks. I need them. I never want to walk again.
Wow.
That was great.
A huge thanks to Hector for making us these incredible boards. You're making awesome videos. The links are in the description below of how he made the hair and both the boards.
Yeah.
So you guys can go click on that and check it out right now and subscribe to the Braille Armory channel. You will not be disappointed. Think they'll be disappointed?
No, sounds like Red Man. You got the bangs to cover you.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride onto a skateboard. Like onto one. Not on one, but from another board onto another board.
Or both.
He said it.